How to fix maximum number of attempts reached. Try again later on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Try switching it from email and username to phone number. If that does not work, what you can do is it only fixes after 3 days, which means you will need to wait for 3 days for it to recover. After 3 days, you can open TikTok and then try logging in with your phone, email, or username. After you do that, you will be logged in and there wouldn't be any problem for maximum number of attempts reached. So you will need to wait for 3 days only. This is how to fix maximum number of attempts reached. Try again later on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.